welcome back. Today I'm going to look at the first SPAC merger in SGX, where VTAC SGX Pioneer SPAC is proposing a business combination with the leading live streaming platform 17 Live. Okay, interested to find out more about 17 Live growth prospects and how it will look like in future? Then make sure you stick around to the end as I break down the analysis part by part. Okay, with that, let's dive in. Before we get too excited on looking at the live streaming part, I know you're already at the website looking at live streamers. Okay, but let us understand the terms of the deal first. Alright, if you were to look at the press release, okay, you'll see that the pro forma equity value of this business combination will be up to a staggering $1.1 billion. In addition, the SPAC will be issued at $5 per share and up to 24.4 million new shares will also be issued should certain financial targets be satisfied. So now let's talk about the target for the SPAC 17 Live's business model. 17 Live is the top live streaming platform by revenue in Japan and Taiwan, with 20.8% in Japan and 26.9% market share in Taiwan, respectively. And as of June 2023, 17 Live had an average MAU or monthly active users of around 550,000. Okay, and 17 Live had also entered into contracts with an estimated 87,000 live streamers. The content database comprises of a range of genres, including music, games, cooking, fashion, education, and more. And it further differentiates itself with the localized content, right, as well as the exclusive premium content. To establish a strong community, 17 Live complements the online events with the offline events. For example, if there's an online competition going on, there'll also be an offline finale. And these will lead to a very nice network effect and an immersive entertainment experience. Okay, the monetization model of the live streaming business is quite similar to other live streaming platforms. Users can buy virtual gifts for their favorite streamers, or nowadays we have V-Livers, which I will explain a bit more later on. And then the revenue will be split between 17 Live and the live streamers. All these result in an average daily view duration per daily active user of around 1.5 hours and an incredible 16% spend rate on a monthly basis. So right now I'm going to share screen on 17 Live to show you how it really looks like in the website itself. Okay, so now let's take a quick run through, a quick tour of 17 Live, this website. So I've created an account, right? Is Invest Kaki, alright. And if I were to, perhaps join as a viewer, I think naturally they will want us to pay money to top up and then to spend the virtual gifts on all the live streamers. So when I go to the top up, right, you see that it's catered mainly for Taiwan and perhaps Japan. Alright. And for $5 you'll get like 1,300 tokens. Okay. And then when you go into, let's say, a live stream, okay, this one doesn't look so intimidating, right? This one looks like a show. They have their own show. And then when you go inside, you can see that it's like a live stream. Usually it's one person and it's always girls. So I presume that the target audience are all the guys that want to stay at home and just watch this kind of girls. And this is how you can spend all these coins or tokens. Right. So you remember just now I talked about 1,300 1,365 tokens for $5. So I assume that the minimum that you can spend is, oh, you can actually spend just 10 tokens. Okay, but let's say all these 100 one will be like maybe 50 cents, and then this one will be $1, so still quite affordable. And as time goes by, I think a lot of them will, just spend money. Like maybe if you go to the other live stream, maybe I go to another live stream, with those kind of one person. Okay, you can see how it works. Whether people are spending money, how many viewers, what are the events, and things like that, right? Oh, so there's also suggested other live streamers. I just click anyone, right? Oh, okay. So you can see here that people already send virtual gifts, or send one snack, and that kind of thing. So it's real. This kind of live streaming is really like influencer, whereas while I do YouTube, all these pretty ladies, they do live streaming and they get all these virtual gifts. I think it's more profitable than me doing YouTube. So anyway, okay, so this is it for the actual scatterbug for 17 Live website. Before we move on to the next one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on stock tips and investing ideas. To show my appreciation, here's a financial meme for you. Now let's talk about the financial numbers on 17 Live, which can be found from the VTAC announcement. First of all, operating revenue has been relatively stagnant, okay, but the adjusted EBITDA has been coming down in the past 3 years. Moving on to the financial position, we can see that the cash and cash equivalents have also been on a downward trend, and it is actually having negative liabilities right now. From the looks of things, 17 Live financial picture seems kind of meh. So the question is, why is VTAC merging with it now? Of course, one big reason is that the VTAC is running out of time, as the SPAC only has a 2-year mandate to find a target company to merge with, and the time is ticking. So while 17 Live's historical numbers doesn't look pretty, the exciting growth prospects more than make up for it. Okay, so although we have all heard of live streaming platforms from either like Shopee, TikTok, or Facebook Live, YouTube also has YouTube Live, right? So the total addressable market is growing. Okay, and 17 Live is one platform that has developed a good operational know-how in this particular field. On top of that, there are two real growth drivers that will come from, first of all, VLiver and live commerce or gaming. The real term is called virtual livers. So instead of live streamers, all right, VLivers or virtual livers are like the live streamers, but it's made up of computer characters. Right. So that is something that only AI, the current AI technology can come up with nowadays. And next, through the partnerships of with together with all these fast-moving consumer goods brands, 17 Live is able to promote suitable products to the same user base and increase revenue. Lastly, this IPO will reinforce, right, their business momentum by fueling new business growth together with this new trend of virtual liver and the regional expansion into high growth markets such as Southeast Asia and US. End of, VTech may be confident that 17 Live can do well with a scalable business model amidst the exciting growth opportunities. On the other hand, in my own personal opinion, I think that this is a rather expensive acquisition or merger. When you think about it, Amazon acquired the world's largest live streaming platform, Twitch.tv. Right, this is for the gamers, right? It's the world's largest at only US $970 million. But Twitch has never made a profit until even today. So if you will ask me, I will think twice before buying into 17 Live. But that's my thoughts. What do you think about this deal? And what stock do you want me to cover next? Let me know in the comments down below. With that, if you find this video helpful for you, do remember to help me smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. With that, if you find next, you can also check out this video over here for more financial insights. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching and ciao.